Lesson 1. How are you? Page 2. Conversation. A. Listen. What is Steve's last name? What's Emma's middle name?
Hi, how's it going?
Fine, thanks. How are things?
Pretty good. My name is Steve Hill. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Emma Laurie Shaw.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, it's time for class. See you later.
Take it easy.
Page 3. Listening. A and B. 1.
Hi, Antonio.
Hey, Celia.
How's it going?
Great.
Are you going to class?
Yeah.
See you later.
2.
Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hello, Miss Lee.
How are you this evening?
Very well, thank you. How about you?
Just fine.
Oh, there's my bus.
Good night.
3.
Hey, Tony. How are you doing?
Not bad. You?
I'm okay.
How are classes?
They're all right. I have to go.
Bye.
4.
Hello, Todd.
Good morning, Mrs. Jones. How are you today?
Great, thank you.
Is that your car?
Yes, it is.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
Well, I'm off to work. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 2. Nice to meet you. Page 4. Conversation. A. Listen. Where does Jessie live? How old is Tizzy?
Hey.
Hi. Are you new to the building?
Yes. I just moved in.
Well, welcome, neighbor. My name is Alex. I live in apartment 19.
Nice to meet you. I'm in apartment 21.
Oh, I'd like you to meet Tizzy.
Hi, Tizzy. How old is she?
She's 4 months old. But don't worry. She's very quiet.
No problem. I love cats.
Page 4. Conversation. C. Listen. Write the changes you hear above the bold words. Practice the new conversation.
Hey.
Hi. Are you new to the building?
Yes, I just moved in.
Well, welcome, neighbor. I'm Alex. I live in apartment 19.
Nice to meet you. I'm in apartment 21.
Oh, this is Tizzy.
Hi, Tizzy. How old is she?
She's 4 months old, but don't worry. She's very quiet.
No worries. I love cats.
Page 5. Pronunciation. A. Listen. Notice how to is reduced in these sentences. 1.
Nice to meet you.
2.
I'd like you to meet my classmate.
3.
It's great to meet you.
Lesson 3. Can you say that again? Page 6. Conversation. A. Listen. What does Matt need help with? What is Joe's email?
Hello.
Hi, Joe.
I'm sorry. Who is this?
It's me, Matt. I just got a new phone number.
Hi, Matt. What's up?
Can you help me with my homework?
Sure, but I'm kind of busy right now. Can you send me an email?
What's your email address?
It's joe@newmail.com.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
It's JOE at mail.com.
Page 7. Listening. A and B.
Can I have your email address, Delia?
Oh, sure. It's delia15@snmail.com.
And what's your cell phone number?
It's 968-8815.
Sorry, can you say that again?
968-8815.
Great. And just one more thing. Can you give me your work number?
My work number? It's 752-9947.
Thanks. And here's mine. My email is andy@245mail.com.
Can you repeat that?
It's andy@245mail.com. Let me spell it. ANDY@245mail.com. And my cell is 361-0018.
361-0018. Got it. What about your work number?
It's 902-9914.
902, sorry, can you say that again?
902-9914.
Thanks.
Lesson 4. Nice weather, isn't it? Page 8. Conversation. A. Listen. What do Chris and Maria talk about? Does Maria like the song?
Hi, Maria.
Hey, Chris.
It's really nice today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So, how are things at school?
They're okay. It's a busy semester, isn't it?
I know, it is. I don't have much free time.
Me neither. What are you listening to?
Oh, it's my favorite song. Here, listen.
It's, interesting.
Page 8. Conversation. C. Listen. Write the changes you hear above the bold words. Practice the new conversation.
Hi, Maria.
Hey, Chris.
Nice weather, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
How's life?
Things are okay. It's a busy semester, isn't it?
I know, it is. I don't have much free time.
Me neither. What are you listening to?
Oh, it's my favorite song. Here, listen.
It's, interesting.
Page 9. Pronunciation. A. Listen. Notice how the intonation falls in tag questions when you expect the listener to agree. 1.
This pizza isn't very good, is it?
2.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
3.
This is a really fun party, isn't it?
4.
This movie isn't interesting, is it?